everyone, this is your boss mom VA and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and make money online tips. So, if you're interested with this topic, just keep on watching! So for today's video, we're going to talk about isang VA type of service na pwede mong i-offer sa client as a beginner or newbie virtual assistant. This is 100% non-voice. You can find part-time or full-time clients. And also, madali lang aralin yung task. It's work from home or online jobs, freelance jobs opportunities. And this is non-voice customer service VA. So, ano nga ba itong non-voice customer service VA? And ano yung mga requirements? Ano yung mga kailangan mo malaman to start offering this service? So, if you're interested, then let's dive in. Non-voice customer service. Non-voice customer service refers to providing support and assistance to customers through written communication channels rather than voice-based interaction. So basically, you are just attending to customers' concerns, issues, and inquiries via emails, chats, or messages. This one is beginner-friendly because wala siyang calls, no? So non-voice siya. And you can find part-time or full-time clients. And hindi mo kailangan experience or hindi mo kailangan maging expert because yung task itself is madali lang naman siyang matutunan. All you need to have is you need to have a good communication skills, especially in writing. And of course, you have the quality of a good customer service or you have a good customer service skills. Qualifications that you need to have to become an effective customer service VA. So, number one is written communication skills, especially in English, but not necessarily kailangan fluent ka in English because non-voice naman to. And maraming mga tools na makakatulong sa'yo like ChatGPT, Grammarly, to help you to enhance your written communication skills. Next is good customer service skills. Of course, you must possess a good customer service skills because yun yung pinaka-focal or main na task mo is to attend the customer's concerns and inquiries. And next is problem-solving skills. Of course, hindi ka lang dapat basta-basta magre-reply. Ang pinaka-goal mo is to resolve the customer's concerns and issues. So, you need to solve their problems right away. Next is empathy and patience. This is very important na meron ka. Kailangan yung tone ng emails mo or messages mo sa customers is that you are showing empathy and patience. Now, dapat very patient ka because working in customer service is marami kang may encounter na customers na meron diyang rude, impatient. Sometimes they are upset that minsan makakapagsabi sila ng mga words, na bad words. So, if you're going to become a customer service VA, kailangan matapang yung loob mo dyan. Kailangan patient ka lagi and you empathize with them. Next is attention to details. It's very important na hindi lang basta basahin mo yung kanilang inquiries or issues sa kanilang mga messages. You need to be attentive, no? Kailangan yung ipoprovide mo sa kanilang details is very accurate and hindi yung basta-basta lang. And of course, hindi lang pag-reply sa emails, chats, and messages. Kaakibat din yan is also you are processing their request, no? So, gagamit ka ng mga system, CRM na ipapagamit sa'yo ng client. And of course, kailangan is accurate mo rin magamit yung mga yon so that ma-avoid mo yung mga errors or mistakes. Who are your potential clients as a customer service VA? Now, marami kang mga potential clients as a customer service VA. Number one na dyan is yung may mga small to medium-sized businesses. Next is yung mga entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Kunyari, sa mga may business sa real estate, may Airbnb business, vacation rentals business, mga coach, gurus, yung mga nagbebenta ng mga online courses. Sila yung mga naghahanap ng mga VA na mag-a-attend sa mga customer concerns and inquiries via emails, chats, or messages. And then, the third one is yung pinaka-mare-recommend ko sa inyo na marami talaga or very in-demand today is yung may mga e-commerce stores. So, I myself is an example. So, I'm a Shopify VA and one of my tasks is to answer customers' concerns via email or chats and process their orders. So, marami kang makikitang potential clients like sa Shopify, dropshipping, yung may mga Amazon stores, eBay. So, anything na may e-commerce stores or anyone na may e-commerce stores is your potential clients. And very in demand today yung mga e-commerce stores. So, I would recommend na ang hanapin mong client is yung may mga e-commerce business or yung may mga e-commerce stores. Example of my actual task as a customer service VA. So, gumagamit ako ng CRM or ng isang system to answer the customer's requests, inquiries, concerns. So, this one is a video. Video yung tawag sa system na to. And here, as you can see, my chat, email, messenger siya na features. But for this one alone, we are using chat. So, iba't ibang CRM or system yung ipapagamit sa'yo ng client. So, depende na sa'yo. So, for this particular one is for Shopify. And here, ito yung tinatawag na canned responses. Here, pwede mong isave dito yung mga usual na responses mo. Because paulit-ulit lang naman yung mga inquiries ng mga customers. And for this one, ito, naghahanap lang siya ng update sa purchase niya. For example, na-ship na yung order. So, meron na ako ditong canned responses or yung save templates ko. And then, I will just click on reply. So, basically, ganun lang siya, no? Yung customer service VA, magre-reply ka lang sa mga customers' concerns, inquiries, and stuff like that. And for this one, even if you're a beginner or a newbie, you don't need to be experienced, no, or expert because yung gantong klase ng service naman is kayang-kaya mo siyang aralin. And yung pagkakaroon ng good customer service skills is naaaral naman din yan. And marami na ring tool ang makakatulong sa'yo, no, to help you para ma-enhance yung communication mo, especially in writing in English because this task is non-voice. So, yan. So, here is may mga chats lang and then you just join a conversation and then if you wanna reply, you just click on the canned responses and then that's it. Here's the tool na sinasabi ko nga na pwedeng makatulong sa iyo to create yung mga customer service na templates, no, na pwede mong gamitin if you're unsure about your grammar, spelling. So, parang corrector na rin siya. And ito magbibigay sa iyo ng idea in a customer service level and a customer service tone. So, pwede mong utusan tong tool na to. It's called ChatGPT or you will just go to chat.openai.com and then mag-sign up ka lang. And then, dito sa tool na to is uutusan mo lang siya. For example, this one, write me a short email response for customers who are asking about their order status. So, bibigyan ka na niya ng templates na in a customer service tone or in a customer service manner. And all you need to do is to copy and paste this. And, of course, you don't have to copy and paste literally. Pwede mo siyang i-edit, lagyan mo ng tracking information here, kung ano yung usual na ipapagawa sa'yo ng client or yung gusto niyang i-reply mo para sa customer. So, for this one naman kasi is just a guide for you, no? If you're unsure what to say to the customer. So, pwede mo rin siyang utusan dito na write me a short email response for customer who are upset with their order and offer them replacement like ganyan. So, bibigyan ka niya ng idea kung ano yung sasabihin mo. So, it's up to you kung paano mo siya i-edit and any information na makakatulong para ma-solve mo yung problem or issues ng customer. So, always remember na kapag customer service VA ka is you are not just literally replying to customers' concerns. You need to resolve or to solve their problems right away in a friendly tone and also showing that you empathize with them and always be patient and make sure na dapat yung tone ng email mo, either email man yan, messages or chats is that friendly yung tone mo and that you are showing that you wanted to help the customer.
Your friend, you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never say